How to add items to cart on Amazon. Found something that you like? This guide shows you how to add items to your cart on Amazon so you can buy them later. First, find the product that you want to add to your cart. Tap on the product and go to its page. You'll see a lot of information about the product, like its price, reviews, and a description. You'll see the price button and you have to click on it. Tap on the Add to Cart button after you click on price options. Right here, you can add to cart like this. A confirmation message will appear on top of the screen saying that the product has been added to your cart. You can then continue shopping or go to your cart and check out. To check your cart, you can also change the quantity of the item in your cart. Go to your cart, find the item that you want to change and tap on quantity. Right here, you can then select the items that you want to buy. You now know how to add items to your cart on Amazon. Get ready to buy them. Like and subscribe for more app tips.